Hi everyone and welcome to today's Qigong practice. Today I invite you to join me for an easy 10-minute practice to stretch, breathe and start your day with ease and joy. But before we begin, if you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel to support the work I do and enjoy free Qigong videos on YouTube. And if you'd like to grow your practice, try something new, join me live every Sunday on Zoom, consider joining my membership site. You can find all the details in the description below this video. So go ahead and get ready and let's begin today's practice. Begin in a standing position and take a moment to settle into the posture, slow down your breath and relax your whole body. And bring your hands together and rub gently until they become nice and warm. Just feel that warmth coming through the center of your palm, spreading to your fingers. Then we're going to massage the face. Then go and comb your head from front to back, pressing down with your fingers a few times behind the ears, down towards your neck. Very good. Relax for a moment. Maybe fix your hair. Then take it to the ears. Massage your ears. Give it a good rub. We have a tremendous amount of points located on our ears that have a direct link to our internal system, internal organs. So be gentle, but give it a good rub. Very good. Relax from here. Next, the center of your chest. Circle around and spread the warmth from your hands to your chest, to your heart and your lungs. Very good. From here, go down through your navel. A little pressure here, that's okay. Massage the abdominal organs. Go to the side. Pass your ribs down towards the hip bone. Come back to navel. One more time. Separate your hands. Pressing down. Make sure you cover the ribs. To the sides and back to center. Relax here. Notice how your chest feels. Notice how your abdomen feels. Then take it to the lower back. Circle around with the back of your hands, taking the warmth and get that circulation going in the lower back. Then gently knock up and down, all the way down to your tailbone. Come up. One more time, down towards the tailbone, knock right there and come back to the kidney area. Relax here. Go into the hip rotation. I like this exercise, especially first thing in the morning, to open the energy channels that run down, passing the hips, get that circulation going. Very good. Few moments the other way. Very good. Finish up. Return to center. Relax here. And get yourself grounded through your feet and shake the other one to the side. Forward and to the side a few times. Relax your knee. Soften your ankle. Relax your foot. Very good. One more to the side and relax it down. Notice the difference between the two legs. We do the same on the other side. Shake it off. Just keep it nice and easy. And pull your foot down. Relax here. And we're going to gently tap the entire area, starting from the hips. Move to the sides, the top of the glutes. Go down the sides of your legs. Just under your kneecap. If you want, you can go lower all the way down. Then stand up. And one more time, starting at the hips. This time, tap the back of the legs. And stand up. Wow, I can feel the difference already. Relax for a moment here. Then we'll switch to the upper body. Swing your arms gently, knocking on the back of the shoulder and on your ribs. Keep your knees slightly bent. Allow your whole body to move. Enjoy that freedom. Enjoy this flow. Knock the back of the shoulder just under the armpit. Give it a good tap. Very good. One more on each side. And relax. Quickly check in with your whole body. See what's changing. See how you feel here. Then go ahead and raise your hands up. Come up on your toes and lengthen your entire body upwards. Release and come back down. Relaxing as you go. We go again. Go up. Gently press out. Your spine is nice and tall. The crown of the head is pointing upwards. Same time, you feel grounded through your feet, using your toes for balance. Release and soften. Very good. Go again. One more time here. Come up. Hold this position. Then soften and relax your whole body. Make sure your lower back stays nice and relaxed. Softening your hips and sinking down into your legs and feet. Very good. Then keep your feet firm on the ground, about shoulder width apart. And bring your hands, place them on a tabletop. So lower back relaxed. Knees slightly bent. So get into this horse riding position in a way. Then move your hands out to the side. Open your chest. Turn your head to look at your fingers. Release. Squat down a little. Relax your lower back. Open to the other side. Release and come back. So continue changing sides as you open through your chest. Then soften, allow your lower back to relax. Very important here. And then let's add breathing to that. We inhale as we open. We exhale as we soften. We inhale. Exhale. Breathe in. Breathe out. Be mindful not to arch your lower back, working with your chest, and then bend your knees to relax your lower back. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. One more time on each side. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. And breathe out. Relax your hands by the side. Relax your tailbone, sinking down. Very good. Then from here, take a nice big breath in, come up on your toes. Bounce into your heels. Allow your hands to flow down the center. I like the sound of the church. We breathe in. Softly exhale. Be gentle here. You just want to create that subtle vibration, not banging the bones on the ground. Breathe in. Breathe out. See if you can relax every time you exhale and soften your entire body. One more time. We breathe in. And stand still. Free breathing from here. And take a moment to notice how you feel. What's changed? Become aware of your entire body. See how stable and grounded you feel through your feet. And find softness and suppleness through your upper body. Very good. Then round your hands. Place them just below your navel. Concentrate on yourself for a couple of seconds. Maybe even close your eyes. Smile. And finish your practice. Relax your hands. Well guys, I hope this routine made you feel better. I hope it gave you that natural boost of energy to start your day or to continue with your day with good energy, good vibes. I wish you a good day. Stay safe and I'll see you soon.